Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will talk about installing a very special software which is called VirtualBox. Now VirtualBox is a famous open source free virtualization solution in IT world. What happen is, let's say you using Mac computer but you need to use Windows machine for some purpose. In this situation you might be need to buy a new Windows machine, right? Or there are some software called parallel desktop in Mac that also you can buy. However, VirtualBox is a software from Oracle and it's free, open source, that you can download and install and solve the purpose of your using Windows machine. Now, in why I'm doing this video is VirtualBox usually very straightforward to download and install, but in Mac M1 and M2, the latest Mac processor, it's little bit tricky. So I just want to show you that. So let's start with the first thing. The first thing first is that we will go and download the VirtualBox from the Oracle website. So let's go to your browser. Any browser is fine, and then all you have to type is VirtualBox download. So just make sure this spelling, okay? And then the first link you see here is from VirtualBox Oracle, right? Go there. Now problem happened here when you come into today is like June 5th 2024. When I came, I didn't find any download for my latest Mac. So if you see here, this says Mac but it's Intel host. That means older Mac. The older Mac has the Intel processor, okay, and then Windows is there, Linux is there. Now how do you then find out and download, right? So all you have to do is go a little bit down and somehow you will find this link, older builds. Go to this older builds and here you click this VirtualBox 7.0, okay? So these are older build link. So if you click it, you will see lots of download files. Now first we have to understand that the new Mac that coming with their processor is called ARM64, okay, and M1 M2, okay. So those processors name is actually like that. I don't know why, but what you can do, you can just copy this ARM64 and just search it here in this page. So you will find out somewhere in this page there is a file, download file for ARM64 M1 M2 host, right? But it's little bit older version of VirtualBox. However, it will work, okay? So that's why all you have to do is just click and download this file. Now when it will download, right? When it will complete download, you will find out it in your download folder, and all you have to do is double click it, and then you see this virtualbox.pkg file. All you have to do is click and go next. That's it. Then VirtualBox will be installed in your machine. In my machine it's already installed, that's why I have not gone through that process. However, after installation you have to go, you can search it in the spotlight of Mac saying VirtualBox and it will show you the VirtualBox. So all you have to do is click and it will open the VirtualBox. And this is basically a little bit different than other VirtualBox is getting installed in other operating system. It says beta. So I think somehow they are not very much developed for this new processor, but at least there is a beta version that we can use. Okay, now in next video I'll show you how to install a virtual operating system like Windows or Mac into this virtualization machine. Okay, thank you.